MDC Chairman, Administrative Advisory Reforms Committee, TTADC. Atara Azukja Jo, Tonana or Payman of Pinane, Tini Panda Zankabu Chang Sasine, or missing of Pay, as of Pinane Vagako, Jo Tonana.
They are my doctor.
Oh, nice. Where is it? South. Right. Like my mother.
Chang Panda Chang Mani Bakak Tangai TTADC by Kom Tengzak Sakam Naijak Ne Malkung no Chang Samani Pandawo Jo Tonono Haksal Sampa Ni Pai Sopaija Gorom Ganang Adong Okra Chakra Ni Sak Salai Sarai Jo Tonono Kawai Kubayani Hamjakma Te Borom Yaparo Te Chini Tinini Oje Malkungo Sakam O Chang Samani O Program O Te O Samgo DC by Kerungjak Tongo LTS Telecom Infrastructure Trust, the Apollo Foundation, Total Health. Even as we gathered here for the inauguration of District Council, supported by LTS Telecom Infrastructure Trust, and as an implementing partner, we have Apollo Foundation. Jotono yang mo bisingaw kaya asuk phebe aro basaya oi chinera asuk thai tongo kubangma aro basaya oi jotono no koyo ko bugo isa bisingaw phai asuk phebe morong genang o pandani tangthang president Mr. Kamal Koloy, executive member health tribal welfare and tourism TTADC, who will be presiding over the program to take his seat on the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now request my Bhai Shapajak, Mr. Purna Chandra Jamatia, Chief Executive Member, TTA. Tibo chini lagi Bhai Shapajak, Sir Bishoketu, Bonobang, Obong Namusung. Chini lagi Bhai Shapajak, chini Sir, Guest of Honor, Mr. Muhammad Muslimuddin. May I now take the opportunity to Jengobo Hakeno, Chini Logi Pai Sopaija, Chingo, yang Dice Bajong Painani Bagi, Chini, member of District Council. I know I can yap like in Chini chief guest ni tongo. Apa hai kena chang yap hari thangnai Chini joto borong genang Bhai Shapajak adong songma. Tabuk chang yap hari nai Chini Apollo ni Bhai Shapajak. Table Chini Logi Tongo, Mr. Divyajyoti Khan, Circle CEO, Assam and Northeast Circle, LTS Telecom Infrastructure Trust. Chin Logi Bhai Shapajak. Chati sok lai bro, ching joto na basa lai nai, te joto na yapak khorom lai nai. Auspicious moment for all of us, having our Mubagra as inaugurator of the program. inauguration of mobile medical unit services by the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council (TTADC), supported by LTS Telecom Infrastructure Trust, and we also have as an implementing partner Apollo Foundation Total Health.
Manu, please. This is your. कंफर्टेबल है वरना इतना गर्मी में मर गए आइए
Continue Puila ni Malcolm, South Tripura ni bagai MMU, South Tripura.
Where's the camera?
Malcolm go joto bithi TS ro khai mano, aba ke health camp ro nai, jatreng jaga wa thangai health camp khai jagnai. Aba ni uya gulo to mochini North Tripura ni bagai, jinda to niya pakhoro lai nai, jinda to niya pakhoro lai nai. Ni North Tripura ni MMU. Kai sutanga kai nei North tau khai to mochini Dholai MMU. Bunia gulong kai West Tripura. Mong ke sini bagai tinggal pakrau lagi jatuh na. Apni ya gulong kai ke sini Gumoti district. Sini 8 district tonggo. Kai kana chang Malkhong kai taksur dora. Side. अभी जब I think diet is also important. अभी एक बार अभी इन वो प्लीज